guys, I am your Bongo Lolona Shakto Deepa Mukherjee and today I'm feeling cold. So today I'm gonna do a non-sponsored video on Purple Republic Day sale. You know Republic Day sale is live on Purple and I have to buy the things. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. तो फिर और भी ज़्यादा वीडियोस दे सकती थी मैं तुम लोगों को. सब्सक्रिप्शंस मिलेंगे तो स्पॉन्सरशिप्स भी मिल जाएंगे ना. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. सो आई गॉट दिस बॉक्स फुल ऑफ पर्पल का goodies and the price is 580. The total amount I paid is 580. I don't know you can see or not. So yeah, gonna open this now. So firstly let me show you guys the packaging. You know I love Purple ka packaging. They packed stuff so nicely and on these like these things, these I don't know, the I like to do this with these. I call it pimply wrappers. You know they're just like bursting my own pimples. So let me open this one. So the first product I got is the Aloe Vera Plus Vitamin E Anti-Acne Plus Anti-Fatigue Night Lotion. So I have acne problems, so I'm trying this one. I've never ever used this one. So its actual price is rupees 250 and I got this on 175 rupees in Purple. So let me use it. I'll review it obviously. This is a Good Vibes Plus product. So yeah. The next thing I got is this Good Vibes Pure Turmeric 100% Essential Oil. 100% Pure Turmeric Essential Oil. So its price is what was its price? Its price is 110 rupees, but I got it for rupees 77. You know, 77. So it's a great discount, you can see. And I use this every day, like every day. I mix it with my orange gel, Good Vibes orange gel, and I use it and it works. It's very nice. It removes tan and it's good for skin. And you need just 1 to 2 drops. And you can also apply it with your body lotion or with your hair oil. So it's nice. The next thing I got here is the Good Vibes Orange 100% Pure Essential Oil. Its price was rupees 115 and I got it at rupees 81. So you know it's a good discount. It's seriously a good discount. I have never used this orange essential oil, but yeah, I'm gonna try this one too and review it later. So the next product I got is the Good Vibes Orange Gel 100 gram. It's cruelty free, you know, and this is a lifesaver for me. I use this all the time. My skin is a very acne prone skin. It sometimes gets too dry, it sometimes gets too oily and chip. I can't use any cream, then बहुत ज़्यादा pimple हो जाता है. तो like I use this one. Seriously, this is the best thing I have ever got. So this is my lifesaver. I buy it all the time. Like you can see it. Not only here, I have this here, another box also. You know, see, you can see this. So I use it all the time. So I have got more products. Wait. The next thing I got is the Good Vibes Almond Brightening Facial Oil. So I paid rupees 0 for this one because now at Purple, if you buy products of NY Bay, Good Vibes, and some more brands are there in their allied zone. So if you buy products from those brands and the MRP is rupees 500, then you get this almond brightening facial oil free. So I got it free and I have never ever used it. I will use it and I will review this one. I will. Okay, now there is this NY Bay liquid lipstick. Its price is, what's its price? I don't know its price. because I had to pay rupees 0. Oh, its price is rupees 195, but I paid rupees 0 because it was free with my all my orders. And this brightening facial oils price was rupees 149 and I paid rupees 0 for this one. So yeah, it's a great deal. I got 2 stuffs free, right? And last but not the least thing, this pomegranate plus ginger volumizing plus deep cleansing shampoo. This is also a lifesaver product for me. Like, this is cruelty free. This is not harsh on my hair, and like, this has reduced my hair fall so much, so much. I am using this product so much, many times. Like, you can see I have another bottle of this one. So and like, it has came to an end actually. It's like थोड़ा सा ही product बचा हुआ है. So I'm using this. This is red in color and it's great, crazy product. So these are all the things I've got within rupees 580 from good matlab from um Purple. I'm forgetting the thing. And another thing which I like about Purple is that in the box you get product names. Like, there is papaya and charcoal for me, and they say some things for those products. Like, for charcoal, they said charcoal is the head gangster from that underground fight club, legions of which we all have heard of. It is gutsy, bulky warrior that beats the shit out of dirt, acne, and blemishes. It gives your skin the detox it needs. And charcoal to your regime. Head on to the Purple app and search for charcoal to find the right product for yourself. And for papaya, they say papaya is the first bencher of the class who will all knew was going to win it all in life. The Sharma Ji ka beta of skincare. It keeps your skin glowing, radiant, and hydrated. It helps clear pigmentation and helps the skin repair itself. Add papaya to your regime. Head on the Purple app and search for papaya to find the right product for yourself. So this thing is crazy. I like this information about the products and how they write it. I like it. I like this way of publicity, this way of marketing, and in fact how they text us like, hey beauties, like, be more gorgeous and these stuffs. I love it. So yeah, I love this app. I literally love this app. And this is a non-sponsored video. I got so much under rupees 580. So yeah, you guys, please go. The sale is live. Just buy whatever you can. And yeah, I'll get back to you soon and review all these products very soon. Tab tak ke liye bye. See you soon.